Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to bold text in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, we need to create a new text. So I go to the left panel and click on text tool. Now we must click somewhere in the page. So for example, I will click here and I type from my keyboard my text. Okay, so now you can use one from the two available methods. In first method, we need to move our cursor up, and here we need to click on this arrow. Then you will find here bold settings. I click on this option, and like you see, my text is bold now. The second option is based on text settings, so we can go to text, and here we have option text and font. By the way, you can use this shortcut Shift Ctrl T. So I click on this option, and you will see here this window, and on the style column you can find bold settings, so I select bold here, and now we need to click apply. After that, your text will be bold. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to subscribe my channel and like this tutorial. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.